Mmm. The reason I wanted to start my baby on homemade baby food was because I found that a lot of the store brands carried heavy toxins in their baby food, and that can lead to brain development issues. And so I decided that it would be healthier for my baby if I just made it myself. It's really easy, super cost effective. You know what's going into the product. So what you're gonna need is frozen vegetables. I found these in the frozen section of my local Walmart, and they were about $1 for a bag, if not less. And I also bought this silicone tray, ice tray. It came in a pack of 2, and I think it was about $6. So I'm gonna put in the frozen vegetables into my microwave for the time that it says on the back. Now I'm just gonna pour all the contents into the blender. And if you need to, add some water. So from here, you can let it cool and then give it to your baby to eat right away, or you can store it into these silicone trays. That one bag of frozen vegetables was able to fill 11 of these cubes, and I normally give my son about 2 in the day, about 1 in the morning and 1 at night. So 2, and that should last us about 5.5 days. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye! I was able to fill 9 to 11, yes. 9 to 11, yes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.